La 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 la.
राहुल राहुल
तन के साथ मन को जगाओ वी-गार्ड वाटर हीटर्स के संग वी-गार्ड।
The Railway Ministry will write to Meghalaya government to decide on railway projects in Khasi Hills within a few months. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma told reporters on Wednesday that after meeting the railway minister, what he told was that the government has to take a decision on the matter. After I conveyed the concerns of the people regarding the railway project, the minister agreed to come to Shillong to hold talks with all stakeholders. According to the Chief Minister, if there is no breakthrough, the centre will either cancel the project or divert it to other areas of the state. The pressure groups have been opposing the projects in Khasi Hills, citing influx and demanding ILP as precondition to allow railway to come up in the Khasi Hills region.
No, Union Ministry is going to write to us. The Union Minister told me that I will be writing a letter to you with specific instructions and terms and conditions about the timing that we can allow this project to still, to be completed. If not, then he will have no option but to cancel the project. So those details of what kind of time frame he will give us is what we are awaiting. The letter will come from him. And in the meantime, he's also said that he is willing to speak to stakeholders and discuss with them to find a way forward. So that is also what is going to mention in the letter. So I'm waiting for that letter. But as I said, in no complicated terms, Minister has clearly mentioned to me that this project cannot linger on any further. Either it's a yes or a no. We have to take a decision. And if it's a no, then we have to take back the money and we have to de-sanction and cancel the project.
Sir, one question from your side.
Yes, please.
We have seen